Per Inside EVs, Chinese car companies are rapidly gaining global market share. New tariffs announced in May by President Joe Biden highlighted the rise of China's electric vehicle industry. AlixPartners predicts Chinese automakers will control 33% of the global car market by 2030, up from 21% today. China's rise is driven by significant investment in the EV industry, from battery manufacturing to lithium refining. Chinese brands enjoy a 35% cost advantage over other manufacturers due to lower labor costs and vertical integration. Generous government subsidies totaling nearly $250 billion from 2009 to 2023 have also played a role. The BYD Seagull, a small hatchback, retails for around $10,000 in China. The Zeekr X offers features like a sliding touchscreen and self-closing doors for about $30,000. Chinese automakers develop new models in 20 months, compared to 40 months for traditional manufacturers, and refresh existing models every 1.6 years. In the US, Chinese car sales are projected to rise from 1% to 3% by 2030. Current Chinese imports include the Polestar 2 EV, a Buick, a Lincoln, and a Volvo. Tariffs and geopolitical tensions may limit US access to these high-tech, low-priced EVs. You are listening to Yuan News.